I had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reinstalling a wig from TikTok shop. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you never miss a single video. You need to hot comb all the hair going to the back. Use your hair clip so you can start working on this lace. I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray level 9, y'all. This is the strongest hold and it's very beginner friendly, y'all. Blow dry it on hot setting so it can get tacky. It is non-negotiable. As you can see, it's not tacky at all. Now it's tacky because it's sticking on my hand. I'm going to lay the lace down in sections, and then I'm going to literally take my comb and push the hair into my skin so your lace can be laid. Sometimes you need to cut the extra lace off on a wig reinstall, so that is what I'm doing with my eyebrow razor, and then I'm gonna go back in and use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on the lace and lay it back down. Once the lace is laid down, I'll go ahead and use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on top of the lace. And where is the lace, y'all? The lace is giving scalp. I add my melting band. Now it's time to remove it and show y'all the lace, y'all. And as y'all can see, y'all can't even see the lace. I'm using Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 12 on the lace. Use the Frontal Queen melting spray, spray it in the top, and then I'm going to take my makeup brush and apply it down to my lace, y'all, like I did last video, because it's so easy to use, y'all. And as y'all can see, the lace is literally disappearing, which is a good thing. The Frontal Queen is always very much tea. Where is the lace, y'all? Y'all cannot see it. Now I'm going to blow dry it on cold settings so that everything on your lace that you sprayed is going to be dry 100% before you add that melting band on again. I did like 2 melts, y'all, but after that I'm going to literally blow dry it using my melting band and keep it on for a few minutes. Then I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 9 and put it inside the part so the part can pop even more. I'm using the Femi Silkiny Guard and spray it on the hair. A little bit goes a long way. Once I'm done spraying it, I'm going to literally comb every last spray inside the hair so that way you can give it a silk press. That is what I want, y'all. Quick tutorial about silk press. I'm going to literally take a section, pin the hair up, and I'm going to take my wavy top flat on 450 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to literally take my comb and flat on this hair slow as possible. The slower, the better your silk press is going to be.
Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fistful of diamonds, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let
straight this hair by using the Femi Silkening Guard, y'all. It is definitely giving silk press. The Frontal Queen wax stick, I'm going to literally slick the top some more because it's literally humpty. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and hot comb this some more because it needs to be flat. This wig is from the TikTok shop, y'all. I literally had this wig for 1 year now, and this is like my 3rd time installing this wig. I love the color. Look at the silkiness of this hair, y'all. This is my first time actually getting a silk press with a bob wig or even straight hair, y'all. I use the Femi Silkening Guard, and this stuff right here, I love it. 10 out of 10, y'all. A little bit goes a long way. It is a full 13 by 4. You can do a middle part or a side part, y'all. And this is the final results of this wig. Very much tea.